Hello guys, I'm the technical engineer from ZW3D. Now I will introduce model repair module of ZW3D to you. So first, thanks for your participation. In terms of model repair, we will talk through 6 subtopics. First, introduction. Second, initial check of model quality. Third, global check and repair. Fourth, open edge check and locating. Fifth, edge repair. Last, gap repair. Okay, let's go in details. As you can see, under the tab of here, there are lots of tools for you to do the check and repair. With these specified repair tools, the model's open edges or broken surface will be repaired reasonably, which will let the model close to its original shape. And therefore, the model will be used as smoothly as possible in the afterward applications, which is the main function or purpose of model repair. In terms of the model repair, normally we have two methods, manual and auto. And the targets we are working on, open edges, broken face, overlap edges or faces, and so on. Finally, we can follow the below steps to do the repair. First, initial check of model quality. Second, global check and auto repair. And then, open edges check and locating. Finally, manual repair on edges and gaps. Alright, let's go into the first step, initial check of model quality. In ZW3D, we can do the initial check of model quality through below two ways. First is the feature manager check, where you can assess the model quality initially by checking the geometry features type and quantity, as shown in the left picture below. The part should only have one solid, but actually it got many faces and lines there. At this moment, you should realize that this model may be broken and need to be repaired before proceed other operations or applications. Another way is the check on graphic area, as shown in the right two pictures below. You could check the abnormal geometry by rotating or zooming the model, or displaying the model with the wireframe. Pay attention. You could switch to the wireframe with Ctrl+F shortcut. Besides, the abnormal geometry may include obvious broken surface, open edges, and so on. Okay, apart from the initially and manually check on history manager and graphic area, ZW3D also provides powerful global check and repair functions. This function is the heal and analyze. With the heal analyze function, ZW3D not only can analyze the model's geometry topology according to tolerance, but also will try to repair the abnormal geometry automatically as possible as it can. The analysis result is also private. See the right picture below. Pay attention to the complicated parts. Most of the repair work also need to be done manually. Alright, now let's check and locate open edges. As we know, no matter where and what the broken area is, the broken area surely has the open edges. Therefore, check and locate the open edges will be an important work. So, in ZW3D, we have a function called show open edges, as shown in the picture below. You can not only check the total number of open edges, ID number, and length information, but also can locate the tiny open edges by clicking Zoom to option, which is so convenient that could save you lots of time. Okay. After check and locate open edges, now let's talk about the edge repair. As you can see, ZW3D provides 7 tools to do the edge repair. So first, check edge. With this function, you could check and delete tiny edges. Second, split edge. With this function, after select the edge and the point, then the edge will be split. Third, concatenate. With this function, the compatible adjacent edges will be made into one edge. Fourth, refit edge, as shown in the picture below. This function will refit the curved edges within the specified tolerance, making them more smoothly. Fifth, the delete loop, as shown in the picture below. With this function, it will delete an internal or external loop of the face, getting an integral face. Attention please, you need to know which loop you want to delete when using this function, external or internal. 6. Replace loop. It will replace loop on the face with the other loop. Last, invert loops. With this function, it will create new face according to the loop located on the target face, as shown in the bottom picture. Alright, the last topic, gap repair. As you can see, ZW3D totally provides 12 related tools. Here, please note, most of them also can be found in surface editing module. Okay, first, so with this function, you could get the solid shape by showing the different faces. Second, explode. With this function, the integral shape will be exploded into multiple separated faces. Third, so edge gap. With this function, it will extend the two edges, intersect, and form the shared edge, as shown in the picture below. After selected closed edges, the gap will be closed accordingly. Fifth, fill gap. With this function, a new surface will be created along the closed edges. Please note, ruled surface will be created if these open edges are not coplanar. 6. Analyze planar. With this function, the planar surface, which have the attribute of curved surface, will be changed into real planar face. 7. Reverse direction. This is simple. After applying, it will reverse the surface direction. Last, fix primitive faces. With this function, it will identify the primitive face, repair it into its original status, such as cylindrical surface. Now let's take a check on software. First, let's import a model. As you can see, we import this IGS model in the training folder of ZW3D. Open. As you can see, this is import setting. We use the default setting. Click OK. As you can see, the model is imported, and you can see there are a lot of broken surface and extra surface and some broken area. From the history manager, you also can find there is the extra surface here. Now let's repair them one by one. First, let's go into the Here tab. As you can see, we can use the Show Open Edges to do the global check, to check the open edges. As you can see, the total number of open edges is 59, and this is the number 1, and this is its ID number. We can zoom to, and here we delete this extra surface. As you can see, the open edge number is reduced, and we use the fill gap. Select the edge, and the whole edges are selected. Then we apply OK, and as you can see, the open edge number is reduced. We fill another gap. Click OK, and we zoom to the other area here. we select 1 inch and apply OK. As you can see now, got 38 open inches. For this one, we also use the fill gap. Apply. And for this broken area, we can use the trim plane. We need to go to the freeform tab. We use this function, trim the plane. And we select it and select the inches. We apply OK. As you can see here, this broken surface is repaired, and we use same function to repair this broken surface. We select inch. Make sure all the related inches are selected. For example, here is very small inch. Now we apply OK. As you can see now, got 17 open inches. OK, we go to here. Here got another broken surface. For this one, we can use we go to the Here tab and we use the Extend Face. As you can see, we select this face to extend, and we select this inch to extend, and we use this distance. First point here, this is the second point, and we click OK, and this is the distance we measured and we extend. We click OK. So this surface is repaired. Okay, we go to another side. For this one, we can use the trim to curves function. We need to go to the freeform tab. We use this trim to curves function, and we select this surface first, and we select these curves. And we use the face to keep, and we keep this side. And now we apply OK. As you can see, this surface is repaired, and you can see there actually got some broken area, and this inch position we can use the saw function. Under the Here tab, we use the saw, and we select the whole shape and click OK. Number of unmatched inches is 4, so we continue. As you can see, it got repaired. Now still got 4 open inches here. We can zoom to here. For this one, we can use the freeform. Under freeform, we use the ruler function, and we select this inch first, second. We click OK. Now this surface is repaired. As you can see, now the open inch is 0. That means all open inches are disappeared and repaired. We click OK. As you can see now, from the history manager, they got 2 solid shape. So there's some problem with this one. Now here, as you can see, this is another shape, solid shape. We can use the removed shape function. It's a Boolean operation, remove shape. We select this space, and we removed here. If difficult to select here or pick here, we can go to here to select from here, and then we go back the function. As you can see, we click OK, then this shape is removed, and now you can see they got only one solid shape. This is what we wanted, and that means we already repaired this shape. So that's all the steps of model repair. If you got any other issues, please send to ZW3D at zwsoft.com. Okay guys, bye. Let's see you in the next training modular. That's all. Bye bye.